Say you go bee fishing, you build your little bait hive box, hang it up, and then wait. What I'll do is I'll take that, when that swarm, I'll leave them in there for about 3-4 days, and then I'll take them up to one of the apiaries and put them into a hive or a nuke, and then put the box back up, and within, say, probably same week, you'll have another in there. 7 it caught last year. Not sure where they're from. They're definitely not mine out of the garden, because unless they've flown back 4 miles, it's definitely not mine. There is over there, sort of like that tree line right at the back, there is a guy, a European guy up there that's got a lot of national hives, and he keeps them all on supers. There's no brood boxes, they're all supers. But he just seems to let his bees swarm all over the place. It's quite a size. They're fanning like the queen's in the box already. Look, they've got their bums in the air.